Do you want to know how to generate a massive amount of leads fast and leads that are more targeted for your own business or maybe somebody else's business that you're helping out? Hey guys, my name is Michael Granados from Viral Home Based Pursuits. And in this video, I'm going to go over the lead funnels review and tell you and show you everything about it. Okay, I'll be going into the share screen from showing you what it is to how I was able to have it, how it's helping me, and so forth. But before we do that, if this is the first time that you're watching me, I come out with videos like these on helping you understand the world of affiliate marketing, online marketing, and how to generate revenue, how to provide massive value with your passion, your hobby, and or your interest. Okay, so I've been doing this for a while. So without wasting too much time, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to get into the share screen here. So on this page right here, this is going to be the lead funnels. And from the very beginning, you could already see it's a nice looking page. It's eye-catching. And the reason I bring that up is it's relevant to what lead generation is, right? With lead generation, you want to be able to make sure you're getting opt-ins and you're getting quality leads, but also that you're attracting them, right? They land on the page, right? You have a landing page, a web page. They land on this certain page, and you want to collect their information, right? That email address. In exchange, you give them something of high value in return. But also, you want to make sure that it looks the part. You want to make sure that it feels the part, that it's sexy, that it's interesting, that it's going to captivate your audience and your future customer. Right? Because you want to build that relationship up, and then you want to be able to be profitable in the process. And that's what lead funnels will allow you to do easily. It already, Russell Brunson, he shares with you his two-page funnel that generated over 185,372 leads for ClickFunnels for them, right? And how you can swipe it to attract unlimited leads. And it's for your business and or for somebody else's that needs help with this. They were very hesitant, Russell and the crew, to even give this out to you. And he's been very generous and humble enough to be able to give us this. And, I can tell you for a fact that this has helped me in my health and wellness business, as well as it has helping others understand the world of affiliate marketing and so forth, right? It has changed the whole game of what a landing page is and what you should put on there. This is something that you should take very seriously. I know that when I first started generating these nice looking pages, it was really hard. It was like, what do I put on the page? What do I need to put on that page when somebody lands on there to convert them? And so going through here, he says he's scoured the internet and found 106 of my favorite high performing lead generation funnels across all niches, and combine all the examples into one giant lead funnels swipe file book. It's really amazing. I'll be going into it in just moments here, but this is what it is. And it's 106 of them to pull ideas for your next lead funnel, right? The lead funnel is the beginning, the opt-in page. How does that look like when somebody lands on there, right? What do you do? What should you do? And it's a definitive guide to lead generations. And within this, you're going to be able to create the perfect landing page, so you don't have to worry about tweaking it over and over and asking yourself, is this the way to do it? Making less mistakes in the process, right? Although making mistakes is part of the systematic and scientific approach to testing, you can do this much faster and take this from a professional who's been able to do this already. You can use 2- and 3-step lead funnels the right way. Get the cash register ringing on your thank you page. So it not only goes in through the opt-in page, it'll go over that thank you page. And man, did I suck at thank you pages. Okay, and you're probably asking yourself, what do I put on a thank you page? Is it a sales page thank you page? Is it a bridge page thank you? Is it a simple send them to my Facebook group? What do I do? You're going to be able to get all that information down, and it really helped me open my eyes, because that's the page I needed a lot of work on. You can insert a slide bump order and turn a prospect into a paying customer. So bump orders, sales funnels, that's a very important thing. If you don't know too much about sales funnels, I'll also have a video linked underneath if you're watching this here on YouTube. If you're on my post, maybe I'll have one around here. But if you're still asking yourself, what are sales funnels and why are they helpful for me? I have various amount of videos on that are very in-depth. So spend some time going through those, because It's a lot. Get your prospects to give you their email and their phone number. Make ice cold traffic fall in love with you, right? At the heart of online marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever it is you're doing, B2B, B2C, agency, you know, it works for everybody. What is it that you have to do to convert that ice cold traffic? And then create lead magnets that your audience will beg for, okay? Model landing pages so you can go live with your funnel in just 9 minutes, right? It's very, very fast, right? Write hyper persuasive hooks and headlines in no time flat. I know one of the biggest problems we all have is copy. And I'll also I have an article that I did about copy and how you can get a free book for that. But copy is something that I was always lacking in. And I'm so fortunate that I was able to use this right here, and then other things like copywriting books, copywriting secrets. If you haven't heard of that, I'll have links below for you can see that more. And that's one of the parts that most people don't get, right? Generated unlimited ideas for your lead magnets and freemiums. Triple your conversions with simple tweak of the copy. Target your dream 100 with the perfect message and offer. Hook your ideal customer so they can't say no. Use social proof and testimonials to skyrocket options. Boost conversions with fascinations and bullets. Get your audience salivating for your special free offer. Elicit desire with graphics and pics that tug at your prospects' wallets. So all this really, as you see here, it's only for $7. Wait a minute, I gotta pay a little bit. Don't worry, I'm gonna go into this why it's well worth over thousands of dollars, and you're only getting it for $7. Like I said at the beginning, they were even hesitant to giving this out, right? To showing the techniques and everything. But for $7, that's a steal. So the super simple lead funnel that changed my life, and then Russell goes in through it a little bit more about why he created it and how it helps. And this is basically what you'll see. And then he talks about how he generated over 185,372 new leads. And this is really what I wanted to get to, who it works for. It works for real estate, for e-com, for fitness, coaches, franchises, social media, SEO, diet, sports, consultants, health, financial, musicians, cooking, astrology, the dentist, supplements, attorneys, newsletters, masterminds, healing, gym owners, beauty, agencies, MLM, traffic, podcasting. And then there's so many more that weren't listed, but it's for everyone and anyone, right? I own my own blog. And so that's a channel that I use within my own business. So it's helped me out tremendously. Understand how to take somebody who's reading something onto a landing page. What do they see on that landing page? What do they see on the thank you page? Or how can I even take that from that to the next level into sales funnels, right? And that's what I help a lot of people with, lead generation and understanding how to move. But it's helped out in so many other areas too, not just my blog, but in other aspects. And so you can model these, right? It's only for $7. So here's what you're going to see more of, right? Kind of what I covered through. You're going to have prospects begging for what you have to offer. Gives you an idea there of what you're going to see inside. You can establish yourself as the expert. Headlines that sell, right? Don't worry about headlines anymore. Don't worry spending so much time figuring it out on your own. And there's more examples he's going to go through in this, so you can take a look at it if you'd like to. I'd go through it myself and go for it. And 100% money back guarantee. It's 100% risk-free money back. And when you go down here, you'll see the details where you can insert your payment information. I've already gone through this, as you can tell, my stuff is on there, and if I just press the button here, it's already onto my account. But that what you could do, and you can press that button, and it'll send your swipe file now, and I'll show you how that looks. But you can do a one-time offer for only $37 here, where you can get Russell Special behind the current live recording training, where he breaks down each of the 106 lead funnels, easily model and create your own lead funnel in recorded time, plus in record time. Plus, you'll also get 30 pre-designed share funnel templates, right? So you can just simply insert your own branding and messaging, and you're good to go. So it's like templates that are already given to you. but just put in your own, words and for what you desire. Okay. For $37 on the bump. Okay. So now let me show you how it would look like if you were to receive that email. Once you submit your information, you go to your email. In my case, Hotmail is what I was using. And, you'll get that receipt, and then you'll also, let's see this. Okay, I see what it did. Let me go ahead and do this. So you'll see this message in here where Russell will follow up with the message that he's so excited for you. You can step 1, create your lead funnel swipe file right here. And then if you want to start your 14-day free ClickFunnels trial, if you haven't already, you can go ahead and start from there. One other thing that happens once you purchase your lead funnels swipe account, and I have it right here. Let me show you. One other thing that'll happen when you purchase it, it'll take you to the next page, which is, the thank you by Russell. He'll tell you, and then he'll give you an upsell on the One Funnel Away challenge, right? If you haven't heard of the One Funnel Away challenge, I'll have more underneath in the description. There'll be more information on that, but that's basically where you can build your own business within 30 days, or you can also, if you have a business and you want to take it to the next level and understand how to use funnels and how to do it the right way online, how to use a messaging and an offer, I highly encourage you to take that. Plus, I offer a lot of bonuses that come with that if you decide to join underneath me. But this is the lead funnel swipe. Underneath here, there'd be another section if you purchased it, and there'd be the templates that you order for the order bump. But this is how it would look like. Right? And so then I can press this button here, and I'll show you how that looks. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, once I press through there, it's a lot to read through. I know you might not want to go through all of them, but they're very useful, and I would recommend spending time going through some of these, especially if you already have a plan on what you want to use. Just go in here and validate it with lead funnels, the lead magnet, how to attract leads to build value, how to add a lead magnet, the exchange value to build an email list. It breaks it down what the whole point of doing that is. And the thank you page fulfills on the promise, build the trust even more. Okay. The sales page, offer product or service to build a customer list. You follow up the funnel, communicate with lists to build a relationship. Then the lead magnets, right, goes over the strategy of how he's used templates and what he's used to be able to track things in different niches, right, and just about all of them. The landing page, exchanging value to build an email list. It goes over some of these here, how to do them, how to go through them. The thank you page, fulfilling on that promise, giving them that download, or how do you design that thank you page to make sure that you're doing it the way it needs to be for your own, branding and your own business. So then it goes over here, the 9 fast ways to create an info product without ever writing a book. That's very useful for a lot of us because we maybe don't have the time or we don't know where to start, right? We can just outsource this, or we can do it in a way that makes it all so much more easier. This is one thing I wish I would have had some time ago so I could understand it. And it just goes more in depth here. You're definitely going to need to check this one out. It's pretty amazing and informative. It's crazy how much value is in here for what he's offering. I've gone through just about it all and used them in my own, like sales funnels and then landing pages. So yeah, there's 172 pages here. And then the one-page marketing funnel, he goes over that, the psychology behind that, and how to use, the hook, the story, and then the offer. Those are very important things to have in everything you do: the hook, the story, and offer in blogs, hook, story, offer, sales funnels, hook, story, offers, YouTube, podcast, social media, anything. So the psychology behind how to use those. Okay, and that's pretty much it. But one thing I want to express with you is that if you decided you wanted to get this, there are bonuses that I include, such as you're going to get a checklist of these funnels. I'm going to break down some of the more simpler lead funnels, right? Like the opt-in funnels, like the lead magnet, what a squeeze page is, what a lead magnet is, what a reverse squeeze page is, and those like three kind of like primary ones when somebody lands, and how to use them for your advantage. That'll be on the checklist. I'll break this down a little bit more in summary. And I'm also going to hand out some of my funnels that incorporate those three different types and how to use them for yourself with actual templates as well. Along with that, let me show you, I also give away a free ClickFunnels course. Right? Let me show you this. So this is one thing that you're going to get too. This is all my course right here, for how to using landing pages, how to use sales funnels, right, within ClickFunnels, and the psychology behind all that, and how to make them grow, make your business grow even more. So here I have this, the welcome to start here, the ClickFunnels basics, the power course that'll help you set up your account and so forth, types of funnels, right, opt-in sales funnels, different sections, in different ways of, if you so choose to be an affiliate of lead funnels, you can promote that too and use the courses for yourself. Okay. Extra resources, and then a lot of the stuff that I give away that's exclusive to people who join certain things. But there's a lot of things in there, and these are the things that I want to go ahead and part with if you go ahead and take me on the lead funnels swipe file. And these things I'll go ahead and send out to you, and I notice who purchases, and I'll make sure to send those your way. But just to recap, the lead funnels swipe file by Russell Brunson, it's going to shorten your learning curve. It's going to shorten everything you need to, from that opt-in page to that thank you page. Okay, and then you're going to be able to build up with the funnels, with sales funnels, and how to use all this for your own business or somebody else's. All right, so hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, make sure that you let me know, leave me a comment down below, and I will go ahead and get back to you as soon as I can.